What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So we're a few hours away from the Galaxy Note 20 event, and I'm excited for it. I'm hyped up for it because this is my most anticipated device every year through and through. And guess what? I want to give you my thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, baby. You got to go Ultra. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
That sound, I got that heat, let's go.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm hyped up right now. We're only a few hours from the unveiling of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, baby. Not the Galaxy Note 20. I ain't worried about that phone. I'm talking about the big dog. The big dog that I would recommend to anybody that's going to upgrade from the Galaxy Note 10 or Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy Note 8. That is the phone to get. Think about it. I got the original Galaxy Note right here. This phone brings back so many memories. The nostalgia of the Galaxy Note. They counted out Samsung. They said that this phone was too big. But guess where we at right now in 2020? And this is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. One of my favorite phones. And I am in love with the Galaxy Note series of devices because not only do they bring in a unique design, but they bring in ultimate functionality, S Pen, DeX. Those are the two key features that I like. Those are the two key features that make me stay with the Note series of devices. Let's talk about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. That device is going to have a huge 6.9-inch 1440p plus display. We're going to get the Snapdragon 865 processor with 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage. We're going to get SD card support. We get all the bells and whistles. We get that beautiful new design. Oh man, that design is king supreme. That bronze design is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get that phone. So with all in all, you're gonna get top tier specs, top tier everything. Samsung will bring the thunder with this device. Wow, the S Pen. Let's talk about the S Pen. Samsung's supposed to be giving us some new enhancements with the S Pen and the S Pen software. Listen, if you got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, those features are going to get trickled down to that device. But I've seen the latency of the device and it is very good. So we're going to get very low latency when you're writing on the screen with the Galaxy Note. And the new Galaxy Note, Samsung Notes app is going to be a little different. So I'm intrigued to see what that's about. Also the cameras. We all know it's going to get 8K, but we also heard that this device is going to take screenshots. I mean, you could take photos while shooting at 8K. Look, I'm not worried about the 8K. That's something that I probably would never use, but that's pretty nice that you can take a photo with 8K recording. So two critical things that people is upset about is that they're moving the S Pen from one side to the next, which, I mean, you got to get adjusted to, right? Pulling out the S Pen on the other side instead of the usual side that you usually get your S Pen with, right? And the next thing is the premium pen. Now, for years, I've been complaining about the pen. And I want Samsung to bring a premium pen. Look, the pens that we've been getting on these devices is it's okay, it's not the best. I hope Samsung will come out with a premium pen. I've been talking about this for a very long time. And of course, we're not getting a headphone jack and stuff like that. But are you hype over the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, baby? Bring it, Samsung. We're a few hours away. Check out my Wired Wednesday where we're going to go deep in depth about the Galaxy Note 20. Everything you need to know about the Galaxy Note 20, we're going to talk about it tonight. This is Eric, aka the Tech Preacher. I'm hyped. Woo! Let's get it in, baby. Woo! Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun as we party with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, baby. Bring it, Samsung. Woo! I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Later. Let's party, baby. Woo! Let's party. Let's party Note style. Yes.